right, perfect. So in a classical media stream pipeline, we have the contribution and then we have the content processing. We will have the distribution, which like basically is the CDN. This has the perspective of a multi-CDN. And then the last component, which is really important, is the player, right? So the player would provide us more the content experience or the customer experience perspective. And then, so we basically have this connection, right? So when we go to the agentic workflow, so what is the idea here? Take the classical 3 a.m. call that you receive from like the operational team saying that you have a problem. What we are providing here is enabling operational engineers to go faster, right? So instead of walking there and then doing the troubleshooting, going through logs, metrics, all the information to then understand what's happening, you actually will have this report, right? So when you start troubleshooting or performing action, you already have like the big picture. When we go to automation is basically the way that we coordinate the workflow. So here is kind of we creating a resource augmented generation database that is like instructing the agents how to behave. This is kind of the same concept that we have in operation, which is the run books. And the run books is kind of the flexibility here. So when we go to the agents, like El Captain, you can ask like, what is the overall health of the pipeline? And this is going to be creating like a broadcast action, triggering all the agents at the same time, because we need to investigate the whole pipeline. So this invoked Media Connect, Media Live, as well as Hydrolix, Mux, getting all the perspective, right? So when we go to Media Connect, here we can do simple things as listing all the channels that we have available, or for instance, describing a specific workflow in flow management to see like what is the health for this channel. When we go to Media Live, this is kind of one of the most interesting ones. In this workflow, it goes there, retrieves the thumbnail, like a group of 10 thumbnails. It goes to the pipeline of computer vision, analyze the pictures, and then brings you back this report. So the CDN, this is, you can check the performance of like the overall cache information or check for errors, let's suppose. Check why the 403 is increasing in my CDN. And this is going to be bringing you like an analysis per edge location. You can also create graphics, like you can ask for create a graphic of the performance of the CDN per edge location. And this is going to bring you like all the information back. So I hope that this gives you a like idea of what is agentic intelligent operation. We will be sharing the GitHub. This project we are publishing in conjunct with Hydrolix to make sure that you have this reference like running on AgentCore with all the artifacts so you can start faster.